guys, what is up everyone? As promised, we are back again with super dope content. So guys, this time of course we are going to see some supercars, but not any modern supercars, but we are going to see some vintage supercars. We are going to Pune to experience the most pristine, like the most coolest vintage supercar collection you have ever seen on YouTube. Yeah guys, that's right. Guys, Prem is coming right now down my house to pick me. So in just a few minutes we will be leaving to Pune Koreo Park to see those beauties. So why wait, let's go. Hey guys, we are now in the garage of the Jastanwala collection. As you can see right behind me are these two beauties, and let's just start with this one. This car right here is India's oldest running vehicle. Trust me guys when I say India's oldest. It has its year as the on its number plate. Back in those days you didn't have headlamps, so this is what the cars had. Check that out. Literally headlamps in the style of lamps. Both sides. It also has this badge of which says Vintage Car Club of India, and the badging by the company which says Humber Limited Motor Car Manufacturers. So, and this car right here, I guess this is the India's tallest vintage car right here, because you can compare the height of this vehicle to my height. Like you can see, G-Wagon is almost this much, but this car right here is like this much. I can't even reach my hand. Let's just check out the interiors on this car. This section is completely a chariot. Yeah, completely a chariot. And as you guys can see right there, you have a section, you have a device where you can speak from the inside, and the sound travels from there, from that pipe, from here, and it is received by the driver to, if the people behind want to give some instructions, they could give. It also says weed. You don't understand it in the wrong way, but even I don't know what it is. It is really nice to see such beauties in such pristine conditions at this point of time, where people are running behind modern supercars and all those kinds of things. So let's just check out the other cars. Just to add more horsepower, we also have a horse right there. Just kidding. Check that out. A Cadillac for real, guys. I can't believe I'm saying this, but it's surely a dream for me, because check out this beauty. This is such a wide beauty, you can see, and oh my god, it is elongated so much that I can't explain. A Corvette for real. Yes, right here, this Chevy Corvette Stingray. I mean, this car right here is the most powerful of all the cars that are present in the collection. I mean, you can imagine Corvette Stingray sitting in such a pristine condition, which, as I told, this collection houses 35 plus cars. And let me tell you guys, this is the car you won't see on any other YouTube channel or any video or any social media. So this is what I'm showing you guys. It is only exclusive content only on SM Vlogs. So check that out. This car has the pop-up headlamps. As you can see, the section right here, this thing pops out and the headlights come out. Let us take a look at the back of this car. While coming, you can also see the interiors are right here. There's this Corvette badging at the center of the steering wheel, and you can see the speedometers and all. There's the Corvette Stingray written right here, I guess. Yes, I don't know it is clearly visible or not. This is an Opel GT sports car, which also has a pop-up headlamps. As you can see the section right here. I mean, such a cool classic car this is. This actually is a left-hand drive car, Most of you guys won't notice it, but once you get behind the wheels, you will know what power it holds. So here is a Mercedes 190T, and besides that is a 190 SL. So they are arranged as a part of the duo course. You can see the 190D and the 190 SL. Like, this car is the most pristine, like the most good Mercedes present right here in this collection. It has a soft top convertible. It is a soft top convertible, and the 190 SL badging inside it is, I guess it is here. And can you see that, guys? The radio. So you guys could imagine, in those time this car had a radio, which was a pretty cool thing back in the days. You can see the 190 SL badging right here with the big Mercedes TriStar logo, and the 190D badging of this car right here with another big logo. So we also have another Mercedes right here, which the model name isn't written, but check out the useness this car has at its back, which is this is a soft top convertible Mercedes, and check out the leather inside this one. This is pure leather, guys, maintained in a pristine condition. And the rear view mirror is actually here and not here. I mean, it might be those ideas back in the days. This car right here is a Volkswagen Carman GR model. As you can see, the Volkswagen badging given right here. And let me tell you guys, as I am repeating this thing, you don't get to see these cars daily or on any other YouTube channel or any video. So you know how exclusive this is. This is a one-of-one car present in India. This car also participated in the Volkswagen Autocar Drive. And just look at this car. It's just so beautiful. I mean, it just feels like I should stare at it for a whole day maybe, because that's what this car is, pure beauty. And besides this Volkswagen, we also have a Willys Jeep right here. And coming inside, and check out this vintage Mercedes wagon right here. This one is a Mercedes 240 TD, as it says, as the badge says right here. Imagine chilling out in this car on the weekends. Like, that would be absolute goals, I would say. It has so much space, boot space inside. Like, I could really sleep in this car, like hang out for the whole week in this car. That's such beautiful the car is. And also we have some big cars right here. Check out this 1923 Lanchester 40 horsepower, and the special thing of this car is its emblem. Check out, it has a lion holding the Indian tricolor flag, and absolute kudos to the owner for having such a great idea. We have another similar car right here. Even this is such huge, and the hood of this car is as huge as a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Yeah, guys, that car has a V12. I guess this might have a V6, but back in the days, every vintage car used to have big hoods. Often do you get to see a Citroen car sitting in such a pristine condition. And check out what it says behind. 15 and 6 cylinder, and it also says it is a left-hand drive vehicle. We also have this big car right here and an Ambassador. We also have a very classic sports car. This is the Lotus Elan, which was previously owned by Dimple Kapadia. Yes, guys, you heard it right. And check out the symbol on this car. Let me show you. It says Lotus right here, and it even has the pop-up lamps which you used to have back in those days. I mean, such a beautiful car this is. And let me tell you guys, this is a one-of-one car you can see in India. Yes, guys, you heard it right. It is only one in India, and that's what makes this car so special. So let me show you some other classic this garage side. This is a Chevrolet, and check out, this is a Chevrolet Special Deluxe, and check out the huge amount of hood size this car has. And this is the back look of the car, and the badging right here which says Chevrolet Super Deluxe. And check out another vintage car. This seems very great. Even this car has a soft top convertible roof. Even this one is a special car right here. It's a Mercedes 300 model right here sitting. It is almost as big as a limousine you could have back in those days. And you can see the interior inside. It has some very good red leather interior from the inside. I don't know whether it is visible, but yeah, it is visible right now. This car has an Indian flag on behind its logo, and that is such a huge thing to see on those vintage cars. So guys, this right here, right in my hand, is the key of this Corvette Stingray. As you can see, the Corvette badging given right on the car. And check out this beautiful kitchen this car has, a tire. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. As I told you before, this is a very exclusive car vlog you will never see on any other YouTube channel. So please do like, share and subscribe this channel, and we will be back with another super dope content, as I promise it every time.